Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Purchasing a new Pagani begins after wiring a six-figure deposit to an Argentine-Italian man who speaks no English, waiting a year or more, and finally, registering the car and writing another six-figure check to the DMV. That's the process for Pagani customers still waiting for Huayra BC ever since company founder, chief designer, and head engineer Horacio Pagani unveiled his special edition hypercar in early 2016. But should you not have the remaining $2 million when the car finally arrives, there's a second option, a 5-year lease. For wealthy buyers, there are small finance companies that underwrite leases and loans on multimillion-dollar cars. In the case of Putnam Leasing, which sits half a mile down the road from Miller Motorcars of Greenwich, Connecticut, one of very few U.S. Pagani dealers, a lease will get you into a Huayra roadster for $700,000 down and $25,339 per month for 60 months. If that sounds not far off from financing a purchase, you're right. Stretch that $2 million over 60 monthly payments, and, at an interest rate of 3.25%, that works out to $36,160 per month. The massive down payment and 5-year term mirror those of many exotic car leases, some of which have manufacturer backing. Still too rich? Consider that Miller Motorcars will lease a new McLaren 570S Spider at $2,290 per month for 47 months with a $20,000 down payment. Herb Chambers' Rolls-Royce, outside Boston, has a smoke-in deal on a 2018 Rolls-Royce Wraith Black badge for $3,598 per month for 48 months after $25,000 down. Sure, this may all seem insane. But diverting what you might have spent in one lump sum into a higher return investment that beats a loan's interest rate is often advantageous for car buyers of any persuasion, be it Pagani or Chevrolet. Oh, Ferrari tells billionaires who are not on its super-secret list of the worthy to F off when they write blank checks for an ultra-hyper-supercar that only exists as a rumor, and Pagani does. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.